Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to reset all settings on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to reset all settings on your device provides a valuable tool for troubleshooting, performance optimization, customization reversal, and security maintenance, ensuring a better overall user experience. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings on your device. Okay, after that scroll down please and choose General Management option. Well, and here find out Reset menu. Tap on it. Then press Reset All Settings option. Okay, after that click Reset Settings and enter your passcode. Lastly, click Reset below. Okay, and now you can wait until the process complete. Well, that's the tutorial on how to reset all settings on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.